Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here at the South Florida DMV location with a student. Late in the evening, actually. It's almost like 7:30. It's about 7:30. It's gonna be dark soon, but you know, we're gonna run through the video one last time. She has her driving test tomorrow.
Yay!
Yeah, so she's gonna get a nice 100%.
I hope so.
Anyway, they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left away from the curb.
What else do you do?
Put the car in park, pull up the parking brake, and turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. Alright, go ahead, do the turn signal for me. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Alright, so they're gonna ask you to do all of those things to check to make sure that the brake light is working, the turn signal light is working, the horn's working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. Just keep that in mind. Now, they're gonna another thing that they're starting to ask people to do, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left or right. They're checking the tires, right? When they tell you that they're gonna check your tire to see if your tire is good, make sure you straighten the wheel back. So all the way left or right, you turn 2 times to the middle to straighten the car. Alright, so now they're gonna tell you to reverse from here, and we're gonna go through the test. So reverse, straight back. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, you're gonna stop and then turn all the way left. And there go one of my other cars, ACC Driving School. Alright, so that's good enough. Back up just a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Put it in drive. Turn all the way right. Again, that's my other car. And we're gonna go all the way down to the end. And we're gonna make a left turn at the stop sign. So you press all the way down. Alright, you're gonna come to a complete stop here. You're gonna look both ways. Look over there, look over here, right? And then you're gonna go ahead and make your left turn. Make sure you're going to the right lane and do it nice and slow. So we're making a left and then we're making an immediate left. So you wait for this car to pass and then you're making a left turn. Signal left. Take it low, don't go fast.
Yeah.
Do it slow, slow, slow. We're gonna park in between these cones right here. So we're gonna signal left. Come, pull forward, line up your mirror with the pole, and then roll slowly into the parking space. When you get to the middle of the parking space, that's when you're going to straighten up. Do it slow so you can do it perfect. Start to straighten the wheel now and pull straight in. Just like that. Alright. Reverse, straight back. When your mirror is past the pole, then you're going to turn like about right here. Turn all the way left. And look behind as you go back. Right, stop about there. Put the car in drive. Turn all the way to the right. We're going to go all the way down to the end of this corridor here. Down to the stop sign. And then we're going to make a left turn. So press the gas. We want to keep the speed about 10 miles per hour. Alright, signal left. Come to a complete stop right here. 1, 2, 3. And go ahead and make your left turn. Nice and easy. Just take your time. Make sure you're doing it as perfectly as possible. Stay close to your right side. Here we're going to make the left turn. Signal left. Second left turn. Alright, we're going to go into the right lane. Nice and easy. Then you're gonna stop about right here. Straighten up and stop. Stop completely. And then wait for the next instruction. The next instruction is gonna be speed up to 20. Do a sudden stop. And stop. Okay. Perfect. Look behind you. And reverse. Straight back. Look down the middle, yeah. Roll straight back until I say stop. Alright, that's good. Stop here. Alright, put the car back in drive. Now we're going to do the 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn all the way left until the wheel stops. And we're going to roll forward. Then we're going to stop before you go into the parking space. Like right there. Put the car back in reverse. Turn all the way to the right. Looking over your left shoulder. Roll back, and you're gonna stop when your mirror is in the middle of this area. Keep going back. See? Like about there, that's good. Put the car back in drive, signal left again. Alright, we're going to the stop sign, and we're going to make a right turn. So stay close to the right. You're gonna signal right. Complete stop here. Alright, stop. 1, 2, 3. Look to the left. And then look to the right. Make your turn. Make it nice and slow. And then we're gonna straighten the wheel here. And then make another right turn slowly. Signal right. Don't turn too early because the back wheel will hit the curb. Just know that. Alright, now we're gonna park in between the cones here. So signal left. We're gonna park on the left side, sorry. Alright, turn all the way down. Keep going all the way around. And then straighten up and pull straight in. And that is good. Put the car in park. Alright, how do you think you did?
I did good, right?
Perfect, perfect. Yeah, she did exactly what she needs to do to get her driver's license tomorrow.
Yay.
So we'll be coming tomorrow in the afternoon for her to do the test. And she'll have her license, right? Alright, so I'm asking the people to subscribe. Come on, tell them.
Please subscribe.
Of course, yeah. Join the family.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Check me out on TikTok. It's ACC Nation and TikTok. I have a lot of videos on TikTok. I have a lot of videos on Instagram. That's ACC Driving School. I have a lot of videos on Facebook Reels, also ACC Driving School. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.